Hello, good morning. Hello, friends and students. Welcome to my class. Today I am taking prepositions. In this session, it gives good language and speech. Take part link between the two words, connect with subject and object, etc. So, how to use prepositions in using where to use prepositions. Let's identify warm up activity. Simple and common time and place of prepositions to understand meaningful sentences in the formation of the usage of simple and common time and place prepositions. It's play a vital role in the formation of meaningful sentences. So how to use in prepositions, where to use? How to use in the morning, in the afternoon, in April, in the evening, in January, in the summer. So coming to on, how to use on, where to use on Monday, on Sunday, on May, on Sunday morning. Coming to at lunch, at dinner, at 8 a.m., at 6 a.m., at noon, at midnight, at the place on Sunday morning. Prepositions of the place. Observe the box. The ball is in the box, on the box, under the box, beside the box, next to the box, between the box. Here is the activity, warm up activity. Let's identity. So one of the activity, take a rhyme, any rhyme. Sing along, participants. Device, computer, play the rhyme, any. Where is the pen, brother? Where is the pen, brother? Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Where is the pen, brother? Where is the pen? Here is the pen. Here is the pen. Here is the pen, brother, in my pocket. In my pocket. Where is the fan? Where is the fan? Where is the fan, brother? Where is the fan? There is the fan, brother, on the roof. Where is the chair, brother? Where is the chair? Here is the chair, brother, on the floor. Where is the hook? Where is the hook? Where is the hook, brother? Where is the hook? There is the hook. There is the hook, brother, in the roof. By doing action, make some prepositions. Where is the bag? Where is the bag? Where is the bag, sister? Where is the bag? There is the bag on the table, in the roof, on the floor, in my pocket, on the roof, on the chair. Using prepositions by doing actions, it is a good rhyme for using classrooms. A warm-up activity with children doing inside the classroom or outside the classroom, doing a best activity of prepositions. Prepositions saying by activity. By using any rhyme, in my pocket. Look at here, on the roof, on the chair, on the floor, in the roof, on the table. So This is about what? Prepositions, a good rhyme and good action rhyme for primary classrooms. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.